Hello everyone, Aisha Bande here. You're welcome. So let's look at this interesting question we have here, which says if y plus 2, y plus 6, and y plus 6 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression, find the value of y. If this is the first time coming across my video, I welcome you. Please kindly give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. And please, watching the video alone is not enough. Kindly support me by subscribing to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video here on the page or anytime I'm live, so you are notified. Thank you all for your continuous support. God bless you, and let's go back to the question. Now, for this question, we have 1, 2, 3 terms, and we're required to find the missing value here, which is the value of y, right? So, to solve this problem, what do? Since what we're looking for is the value of y, we can use the value of the common ratio r, which is t2 divided by t1 equal to t3 divided by t2. So we have how many terms here? We have t1 here. T1 is y plus 2. We have the value of t2, which is y plus 6. And we have t3, which is equal to y plus 6. So all we have to do at this point is to substitute in the values of t1, t2, and t3. So we have t2, which is y plus 6, divided by t1, y plus 2. This is equal to t3, which is y plus 6, divided by t2, which is also y plus 6. So at this point here, all we have to do is to cross multiply. If you cross multiply, that will enable us to get the value of y. Cross multiplying, we have y plus 6 multiplied by y plus 6, right? So if you look at the first line here, let's follow this line. The numerator at the left-hand side multiplied by the denominator at the right-hand side. We equate it to the numerator at the right-hand side, which is y plus 6. We multiply it by the denominator at the left-hand side, which is y plus 2. So if you follow the arrowhead, that will guide us. So what we do at this point is we can expand here, expand the bracket. So what we'll do here, we pick the first term in the first bracket, which is y, multiply it by the whole of the second bracket, which is y plus 6. Then you pick the second term in the first bracket, which is plus 6, multiply by the whole of the second bracket, which is y plus 6, right? So we equate this to the right-hand side. We do the same thing. The first term in the first bracket, which is y, multiplied by the whole of the second bracket, which is y plus 2, plus the second term in the first bracket, which is 6, multiplied by the whole of the second bracket, which is y plus 2, right? So now we can expand. Y multiplied by y gives us y squared, plus y multiplied by 6 gives us 6y, plus 6 multiplied by y gives us 6y, plus 6 multiplied by 6 gives us 36, equal to, let's open up the right-hand side. We have y multiplied by y gives us y squared, y multiplied by 2 plus 2y, plus 6 times y is 6y, plus 6 times 2 is 12. So simplifying here, we have y squared, 6y plus 6y gives us plus 12y, plus 36. Moving to the right-hand side, we have y squared plus 2y plus 6y gives us the value of plus 8y, then plus 12. Thank you for watching. If you've gotten to this point, that means you're a big supporter of this page. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up if you like what I am doing. So let's continue. At this point here, we collect like terms. So collecting like terms will simplify this equation and also will enable us to get the value of y. So this becomes y squared. Now the y squared on the right-hand side moves to the left-hand side and becomes a negative y squared, plus 12y plus 8y on the right hand side moves to the left hand side to become minus 8y, plus 36 plus 12 on the right hand side moves to the left hand side to become minus 12. Then we equate the equation to be equals to 0. So now let's simplify further. Y square minus y square we cancel out because that gives us a value of 0. 12y minus 8y gives us 4y. 36 minus 12 gives us plus 24. This is equal to 0, right? So at this point, we have 4y is equal to 0 minus 24. So we have 4y is equal to minus 24. So what we do at this point, we divide both sides by 4. 4 cancels out. We are left with y is equal to minus 24 divided by 4 gives us the value of minus 6. So the value of y in this case is minus 6.